Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss this pattern, that is K shape. So let's get start without wasting time. So go to pi ideally. So see here, number of rows and column I want to count. 0 1 2 3 4, that is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So column is 5 and the row is 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 and 5. Okay, so write code for row in range of that is how many rows? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 rows. Okay, then another for column in range of 5 actually 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so see here, we have to write condition for this. So if column is 0, first we have to write condition for this. Okay, if column is equals to 0, then another for this, see here, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, if column is 4, no, another condition is what that condition. See here, this is row 0 and this is fourth column. Okay, 0 plus 4, that is 4. 1 plus 3, that is 4. 2 second row and second column, that is 4. Row plus column is 4. This is first column and third row, that is 4. Okay, so another condition is if row plus column is equals to 4. Okay, then another condition is required, or here also required or. Okay, or see here, this is fourth column and sixth row. Okay, so 6 minus 4, that is 2. 5 minus 3, that is 2. 4 minus 2, that is 2, and this is 1 and this is 3, third column and third row and first column, that is 2. Row minus column is equals to 2. So put this condition, if row minus column is equals to 2, then we have to print. Okay, so print stars and is equals to column, then else we want to print if this condition is not satisfied, then we want to print space and is equals to, after each column we have to print a new line, then save this. This is for K, so I am using K for file name. Then run this model. Yeah, absolutely printing this. Okay, so guys, if you learn something from this video, then guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.